This is an introduction to employee benefits. I'm going to provide an overview of various types of employee benefits and the most common employee benefits that I see. And most important of all, how they can benefit you as the employer as well as your employees. Offering a comprehensive employee benefits package is essential to attracting and retaining top talent. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming and difficult to even know where to start. I will provide an overview of different types of employee benefits and latest trends in this area. First, let's define employee benefits. Employee benefits are non-wage compensation that employers offer to their employees in addition to their salary or regular wages or hourly wages. These can include things like health insurance, vacation time, retirement plans, and more. There are many different types of employee benefits out there, and it can be difficult to know what exactly to offer. Specific benefit offerings are going to vary by organization. It's going to depend on the size of the organization, how many employees are going to be offered benefits, what's the objective of the benefits package, the values of the company, and many other personalized factors. Some of the common types of benefits offered to employees are health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, employee assistance programs or EAPs, as well as employee discount programs. Now let's take a look at the most common employee benefits. The most common employee benefits is health insurance. This helps employees cover medical costs such as hospital visits, lab and x-ray, doctor's visits, and prescription drugs, and much more. According to the American Journal of Public Health, access to healthcare is a key determinant of a person's overall well-being and can have a significant impact on an employee's productivity. Health insurance is a top priority for many employees. There are many different types of health insurance that you can offer to your employees. There's high deductible health plans, HSAs, HRAs, health reimbursement accounts. Health insurance is certainly the most common. It's where most companies start. If you're not going to offer anything at all, offering health insurance is probably at the very top of the list. Health insurance is the #1 most offered employee benefit. Retirement plans, such as 401ks, 403bs, pension plans, help employees plan for retirement and often include additional educational tools to help employees plan for retirement. This is a very important option to many employees. And the third one is paid time off. This includes vacation pay, sick pay, PTO, and holiday pay. And these benefits help employees take time off of work without getting hit financially. They're getting paid for the time that they are away. And in regards to PTO, many studies have shown that taking a break from work can help improve productivity, reduce stress, and increase overall job satisfaction. Employee assistance programs. This one is also very common. However, many employers don't know these terms. So it's an EAP program. It's a mental health program that helps employees have access to counseling sessions absolutely for free. Employee assistance programs are another benefit that employers offer to help reduce stress and improve productivity. It can include counseling services, financial planning, credit review, and more. According to a study published by the Journal of Medical Health and Psychology, employees who have access to these sorts of resources like counseling, these employees are more likely to report higher job satisfaction as well as overall well-being. There are often employee discount programs. These can be included in many insurance plans that you may be looking to offer, such as health insurance, and this can be highlighted per insurance carrier. Many companies offer discounts to gym memberships, Jenny Craig, Weight Watchers, diabetic programs, educational programs for health. The list goes on and on. It can be similar to having a AAA membership in the area of health. In regards to employee discount programs, these have been reported to increase loyalty within an organization. They can improve morale and foster a sense of community. According to a recent survey from the Society of Human Resources Management, many tech companies are offering more perks and benefits to their employees, such as wellness programs, on-site gyms, as well as professional development. But it's not just about offering traditional employee benefits. These types of benefits help employees feel valued and supported, which leads to increased retention and job satisfaction. In addition to the benefits that employees receive directly, employee benefits can also benefit the company offering the benefits. According to a study from the National Bureau of Economic Research, companies that offer comprehensive employee benefits tend to have lower turnover and higher job satisfaction from their employees. In conclusion, offering employee benefits is an important way for companies to attract and retain top talent, improve productivity, and create a positive work environment. Employee benefits are an important part of the overall employee experience. They can play a significant role in attracting and retaining employees. By offering a comprehensive benefits plan, companies help their employees feel valued and supported, which can ultimately lead to increased productivity and job satisfaction. Studies have shown that offering employee benefits to your employees can have numerous positive impacts on your company. According to a survey from the Society of Human Resources Management, 70% of employees report that the availability of employee benefits is a major factor when considering a job offer. In addition, companies that offer a comprehensive benefits package tend to have higher productivity, lower turnover rates, and increased job satisfaction. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of what employee benefits are and some of the basics, as well as the importance of offering a comprehensive employee benefit package to your employees. If you have any questions about the information, please reach out to me directly. I've got a link down below. If you're a client, you know how to get a hold of me, and we'll see you next time.